Sup, bro? Second layer cracked. The Cipher's dropping old 2009 router coordinates near the windmills. And look, it's signed with a tiny family crest. That look familiar?
Einstein, from your stories? That's exactly, we need to move. Wait, that's my uncle's old logo. The one he used for his first coffee shop back in the day.
No way, that's so cool. Tell me more.
He was ahead of his time.
This walk is so nice. Bluebird is just ahead.
Yeah, perfect timing for coffee.
And their pastries. I can't wait. Let's get that table by the water.
Sounds good.
Hey everyone, welcome to Bluebird.
Whoa, this place is legendary.
Yeah, man, best vibes in Amsterdam.
Check out that sign over there.
Awesome. To Bluebird.
Cheers. Coming 420. The Amsterdam Protocol. 420, Bluebird Cipher.